Hello everyone, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is Steve coming back with another video for your enjoyment. So what I've done is I've relocated my desktop here a little bit better, my bookcase. I've got my monitor just sitting up on my table here, and I've got my Commodore 64 computer and disk drive sitting over here to the north. And this of course is to the west. So we'll see how this goes, and we've just got Predator up here just for your enjoyment tonight, and we'll be out with more videos real soon. Pretty cool music. These days, you actually had to flip the disc over like that. That's what it's requiring. Also, I didn't mention, but I also got a new cable that plugs in the back of my monitor, so the display is a little bit better. I think the lighting, I also got a light over here, so I think that's helping a little bit better than having an overhead light, which makes a lot of glare. So hopefully this is good for you. Press the button and let's get going. Pause here for a second. Here's the second screen. It's got the high scores on it. And it's got some raster scrolling at the bottom here. The picture's not bad, actually. Once my scores. And to pause again. There goes on the switch scenario. You just left the helicopter. I'll actually have to press the button to gain control of them. Yeah, that's it. Wrong joystick. Pause for a second. Yeah, I'm going to turn off this light. It seems to be making too much of a glare there. So, maybe that's a little bit better. And the screens are really awesome. You could really see them on the monitor. They're too bright to see it over there, but they're looking really, really good. I have to turn everything down so you can really see it. Look how hard this thing was. It was actually one of the best graphical games at the time for the Commodore 64. For a movie game, it's not bad, actually. Oh, actually, you can go up to these chests. I forgot about this. And sometimes you take your chances. Let me see if I can remember. Oops, that's a grenade. You press the button. Yeah. And then you press the button and you see that little thing flashing thing is... Oh. So see, it doesn't always go in your favor. Sometimes it gives you... And there's the Predator. This game is actually really hard. Surprised I'm actually figuring this one out. See, they're just shooting, you have no defense. You're supposed to be able to duck. I forgot how to duck. Shoot this idiot. Pause again. There's the predator. Oh, there's my gun. I need that gun. Shoot, I'm gonna get zapped if I'm not careful here. You have to squat down and pick it up. Okay, why am I out of bullets? Oh, I need to pick up some ammo. This stinks. This guy's gonna kill me now. I ain't got no more ammo. Walk around them. I totally forgot about that. This is one of my favorite scenes in the whole game. I'm gonna probably die right here because I ain't got no bullets. Stinks. I'll run it again here in a minute. Pause. Let's try it again. Pause. And we're off. Those little boxes, you have to pick them up, and he picks up ammo. There's one up there. I picked up something. These are the pieces you're picking up. I'm starting to remember. There's one over there at the end. Turned out to be a dud. Awesome. Time to pause. Can't remember how to pick up the guns. You just have to hit return or something. Yeah, you pick up, you press return, that's it. It doesn't have anything in it. Maybe it picks it up. I don't know if I picked it up or not. Yeah, there's the flamethrower. Take that, idiots. Turn it up. There's a gun right there too. No bullets. Got all 4 pieces of them. Oh, great. I'm out of bullets again. Oh, great. This is always going to happen to me. Killed again. Oh, great. Man, they're all turning out to be flakes. You just stay toward the bottom, you're safer. Please don't be a bomb. It's telling your score there. Oops. Oh, come on. Goodness sake. I'm gonna bomb everywhere I go. I'm out of bullets again. Oh, nice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial video. So one of my goals eventually is to get, as I mentioned before, all the software games off of these disk drives and transfer them to the computer. I'm in the market right now trying to get a 1541 Ultimate 2. And I mentioned that in the comments before, but yeah, if I can get this, I can start uploading a lot of these games. Oh, here's kind of a cool demo too. It shows the planet and that. I don't know if you saw that or not. And he gets pulled in by a hand there as he's walking by. So it's kind of cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video tutorial. We'll have more, tutorials coming out soon. I'm going to go ahead and finish the computer journey and stuff like that. Gonna be doing a lot more stuff like that, trying to teach people through slideshows and stuff like that. Kind of a mix, and also you watching me, write programs, and we'll continue to upload stuff to GitHub. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, favorite, subscribe as always, and let's make sure to put the word great in Commodore 64 again. Thanks for watching, guys.